how we can use the extracted data from Google Earth in our designing softwares. Hi everybody, welcome to your own YouTube channel, the PaveCraft. I'm Ali Reza Alawi and I'm here to start a new session on learning Google Earth. Let's go. At the first step, as I mentioned in previous video, we can choose our favorite location by zooming location on the Earth. Okay, I dedicate Tehran as my favorite place to calculate its area and its perimeter. Based on all things that I said in previous video, which is available on below links, which is written on description, I can calculate the area and perimeter of my place. And as you can see, after specifying different name entitled Ali Reza Alawi or PaveCraft, I should export it from the Google Earth environment and use it in different area. Okay, next software that I use is Global Mapper for using and changing the type of HTML to DWG for AutoCAD designing. Now for using the Global Mapper, I should click on Open Data Files. After choosing my file location and opening in Global Mapper area, I should export it as a DWG. For embracing this aim, I should click on File, Export, and Vector or LiDAR format. After that, you should introduce your favorite format that you want to export it from KML to, for example, DWG for AutoCAD. And I choose it. I dedicate a specific area for export. Now I have a DWG format in my specified folder. But when you open it in AutoCAD environment, you find a hatch format. And if you remove the hatch, you will lose all of your extracted plans. So you should make some boundaries around it. For drawing some boundaries around your hatch, you should write hatch generate boundaries on your command line. So after a while, you have a boundary and you can remove your hatch. Now you can do your favorite design on plan which is exported from Google Earth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make us informed about your ideas through the comments and please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye.